my name's Kevin Smith. I'm the drummer for Kivel Records recording artist Nikoloff. Nikoloff is a melodic hard rock band, and we're based out of Daytona Beach, Florida. I've been playing drums for the past 40 years, and I've been playing professionally for the last 25 years. It's an honor to be part of the Collision Drumstick endorsement program. The staff has made me feel right at home. They've actually made me feel like family. And they seem to really care about my development as an artist, and that's much appreciated. I look forward to working with Collision and their artist roster. Very talented guys and gals. I use Collision 5A drumsticks. Now, the first thing you notice about these sticks is their feel. They're smooth, but they're not so smooth that they're going to slip. The second thing you notice is their weight. These 5As are lighter than any 5A I've ever played, yet they're durable. I've done 2 full shows with this pair, and there's hardly any nicks, no splinters. Great, durable, lightweight drumstick. Quality. I love the quality of these sticks. I highly recommend these sticks. Try it, you'll like it. For my video playthrough, I'm going to be playing the first single off our latest release, Envy, which was released in March of 2024 on Kivel Records. The song is called Back Where I Belong. I hope you enjoy it.